Welcome to another episode of Exploring Lake Gaston with the P Hill team. Super excited you guys are here with us today. Today we're at Lake Gaston Outfitters. We've been posting that we're coming here. We're super excited to share it with you guys. If you guys are new and you haven't been following our series, Exploring Lake Gaston with the P Hill team, last month we checked out Buck Springs Plantation. We did some mountain biking. I'm going to put the link to that video in the description down below. You guys can go over and check that out. After you check out this video, we're super excited for you guys to meet Dave and Heidi today. Dad's already in the outside Lake Gaston Outfitters move, already been walking around the shop a little bit. So we're just going to show you guys around, check it out, and talk to Dave and Heidi a little bit. And we're super excited.
Sounds good. Maybe we can even find a paddleboard or two that we can take home and have for the summer.
You can join Dave and Heidi in their next paddleboard outing.
That
maybe.
would be awesome.
That would be really fun. But you know, they do more than just paddle boating. They have mountain bike riding, they do hiking, they have kayak meetups, lots of fun stuff they do for the community here at Lake Gaston.
And you should see some of the gear here in the shop. It's really cool, especially these new Hobie crafts with that little fin thing that does the
I know, and the bimini cover to keep the sun off your face. Yeah, so how about we go check out what they have to offer. Let's talk to Heidi and Dave and see what's going on in the shop.
All right, guys, let's go.
All right.
Alright guys, so today we're here at Lake Gaston Outfitters. Just going to introduce you guys to Dave and Heidi, owners of Lake Gaston Outfitters. We're super excited to have you guys meet them. So you guys, can you just give us a quick overview of why you picked Lake Gaston, of all the lakes in the area, why Lake Gaston?
Yeah, it's a good question. We both Heidi and I grew up in New England, and our families had lake houses up there, and we wanted our kids to have that same experience. So when we moved to Northern Virginia, we started looking around. We looked at all the lakes, and we kind of started going one to the next, and then eventually we ended up here. We thought Lake Gaston was the best lake that we could land at. So we've been here for 20-something years now.
Awesome. Yeah. We think it's the best one for sure. Awesome. I do have a quick question for you guys too. I just saw your meetups board over here. You guys want to shoot that over there? I see a couple meetups you guys have. I know you do bike trails. I know you do paddle boarding. So what do you guys have coming up that people can come join you with? So
the meetups are a huge part of the business, and we really started out, we knew that this was going to be a huge investment in time for us. We have the shop typically open 100 hours a week, and so the way that we actually keep our sanity is that we get to go out and play every now and then. So that gave rise to the whole meetup series, and that what we do is we go out, we paddle on the lake and on different areas in the region. We go mountain biking, road riding, we do hybrid rides, we go hiking. So anything that we go outdoors and we play, and one of us kind of runs the shop while the other person's out playing, and it gives us a little bit of a little break and a little time away from the shop.
Chill out and be outside, do what you love.
Yeah. We're trying to get the community in the area going up and doing that as well.
And I know I've talked to a couple people. I know I've seen pictures of people from church and from around the area up on your pictures around your store. And I know we've joined you in a couple hikes, and it's been a lot of fun.
Yeah, we spend a lot of time down at Medoc Mountain State Park. We do full moon hikes down there, mountain bike rides, regular hikes. And we do, we've done 350 meetups. We do about 2 a week, 100 or so a year, and it's fun.
Awesome. Now, where's the best place for people to check out what you're going to do next so they can give you a call and help join you?
Yeah, so we publish our schedule on Facebook events, also on meetup.com. And if you want a little longer planning horizon, people can sign up for our email. And that usually gives about a month view of everything we're doing.
All right, awesome. So hey, if you guys do want to join them on our next meetup, check the description down below. I'll put a link to their Facebook page and their email so you guys can let them know you want to join them. anything else you guys want to tell our viewers about what's coming up or anything special?
Yeah. So as we said, the biggest part of our shop is about the meetups, and we've got a whole bunch of new venues that we're introducing this year. So for folks that aren't getting our emails, by all means, jump on that list, and you'll see all the new places that we're heading out to. In the store, the big announcement we have this spring is Hobie kayaks, and we've brought in the whole line of Hobie kayaks here. So we're really excited with that. We've got all the models on the floor here now. We're going through and assembling them, but it's very cool. Big announcement with Hobie kayaks here.
Awesome. And I'm sure you guys saw the shot around the store at the beginning of the video. Come on over, check that out. They're gonna be here for a couple more weeks, and you guys are moving to a new store, and hopefully we'll be able to come back and maybe do a follow-up video so you guys can check out their new store. Well, thank you guys for letting us come. We really enjoyed it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
What are you checking out, JJ?
I like jacket for Maggie.
For Maggie?
Yeah.
That's probably about the right size, huh?
Yeah.
The biggest one.
Yeah.
I don't see any bigger ones.
Yeah.
Maggie got in the water yesterday for the first time.
First time of the year?
First time of the year, yeah.
All right.
So maybe we need to get a life jacket. Huh?
Yeah, we could get this one for her paw.
For her ball, yes.
What are those things?
It's a hammock that you hang up.
It's a hammock.
Hammock.
Cool.
I want the single nest one because I only want one person in it, me.
Hey, check out that new Hobie kayak behind you. It's actually got a canopy on it.
Yeah. It gets hot.
Hey, check that out.
Gonna get suffocated. Mom? I'll have suffocation. I'm getting suffocation, but
You don't look convinced.
you know what? Mom would be dying right now.
Yeah, that's why I didn't tell her before.
I'll make sure this is nice and tight on you.
It's tight.
You get suffocation.
Mm-hmm.
You feel stuck. I hate this. That's not fair. You just pulled it all the way out.
What you doing?
I'm paddling.
All right, thank you guys for joining us today at Lake Gaston Outfitters. We hope you guys had a lot of fun meeting Dave and Heidi. We hope to see you guys at some of the meetups that they have to go and check out. Remember down in the description down below to check out their link to Facebook and their email if you guys want to join them. I think we got a lot of gear here.
Got a life jacket.
Life jacket for Maggie.
What'd you find, Joy?
Hammock for
Got a hammock.
All kinds of cool
Nice.
stuff.
I got some shoes and a leash for the paddleboard.
And as you guys saw, they have so much more stuff. So come on in and check it out. Make sure to check out their new store, and we'll go over and check that out when they're opening and ready to roll too.
It's going to be really cool. It's actually a log cabin. It's a perfect location for the store.
Yes. So guys, remember to like and subscribe our YouTube page, like and subscribe Facebook, so you guys can see updates on the next video coming out. Remember to be on the lookout for our raffle giveaway. We're doing a gift from Lake Gaston Outfitters. That'll be up in a couple days, hopefully. So make sure you check out our Facebook page, and so you guys can be included in that. And hope to see you back here next month. Thanks for joining us, guys. Bye-bye.
Take
Bye.
care. See you soon.